Good morning, everyone. My name is Christian Medina. I study at Secar University. I study English education. I am from Mexico, and in this video, I am going to be answering 4 questions. The first question is, who is your closest friend? Well, my closest friend is Richard Soto Torres. He is from Mexico. He is 28 years old, and he likes playing soccer. How did you meet him? I met him at school because we studied together uh, for many years and we played a lot together. He is a good friend. The second question is, how many friends do you have on social networks? Well, I have to say that I have many friends on social networks, but I don't chat with many of them because I don't know who they are and I don't know them in person. So I don't know if those are fake profiles. The third question is, who were your friends when you were growing? When I was growing, my friends were Luis Miguel, Daniel, Luis Felipe, and Jose Mercado. Do you have any friends that have exciting lives? Well, I consider all my friends are happy because they have a great family and they also have a good job. When I speak with them, I feel they are happy. I feel they are exciting lives because they don't complain that much and they travel, they go somewhere on weekends, they enjoy a lot. So I think they have exciting lives. This is all about the video. Thank you very much. See you next time.